Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Hey, what's poppin', y'all, man? I got so much energy today, man. I am so hyped, man, and I know you guys know why, man. You guys see the vehicle behind me. It is a 2015 Chevrolet Camaro, man. I just got this bad boy in. It's got 99,000 miles on it, man. This car is beautiful. It's a 6-speed manual transmission. That means, you know, the extra pedal down there on the bottom of the floor, if you know, the other people who don't know what manual transmission is. This car is super fun to drive. It has 320 horsepower, and I have to say, based off of the Challenger that I had before, you guys go watch that video. It's called I just got a Dodge Challenger, my first one actually. Go watch that video. That car has around 300 horsepower. This one behind me, the Camaro, yeah, this one right here, this one has 320 horsepower. It's a lot lighter, and honestly, it's a lot funner to drive, man. I haven't got into the RTs and all the bigger models, but for a V6, hands down, I think I'm definitely gonna go with the Camaro. More space in the Challenger because there is 3 seats in the rear, as opposed to this one, there's only 2, and it's a little bit tighter, man. But still, overall, hands down, I'm rocking with the Chevy Camaro, man. You gotta own it to really get the feel of it, man. Let's go ahead and get this review on. I noticed that the headlights, or the taillights I should say, are not scooped, you know, like half moon, like the 2012 models and under, or the 2013 models and under, I believe. And then they changed it again, I think around 2018 and up, to a completely different look, which I love that look as well. It's got the nice gills. Everything looks real smooth. This car looks like a freaking shark to me, man. I love this damn car, man. And if you don't like the way that looks, honestly, you're just a hater of Chevy, man. Chevy did an awesome job on this car, so I can't wait to be bringing you guys more content on the Chevy Camaro and getting the different models and letting you guys come with me to feel the whole experience, man. It's a beautiful thing if you think about it, really. Let's check out the inside. All right, so, oops, man, that's scary. I'm out here pretty far, and if I didn't have this key, man, I would have been locked out. Let's go ahead and pop it, unlock it. Let's hop on in. Let's check out the interior. So I'm 5'11", just under 6 foot, or just around 6 foot with my shoes on, I guess you could say, and I fit pretty good. But to be honest with you, in the back, there's like no room back there behind me, man. Literally, there's not much room for anybody that's behind me. That's the bad part about the Camaro. But overall, this car is incredible, man. I got a guy coming. I don't know if they're gonna try to kill me or what, but you know what I mean. Hopefully we'll be okay, man. Let's see what they do. Hold on. They're nice people. I don't think they're coming to harm me. I think they just wanted to know where this road went, just like I did, man. It's a pretty cool spot to record. That's why I came. So anyway, on the startup, man, you're gonna want to go ahead and put this key straight in and turn it forward. All right, that's gonna be your accessories on. Everything looks really cool on the car. Let's turn this off. Of course, that's your volume. That's to change the radio station, and that's display, man. Everything's really easy to use. It's got the AC controls right down there at the bottom, and then bam, you got your manual stick right there with all 6 of the gears. Don't mind my beverage, you got to stay hydrated. And here goes the cluster. All right, so it does have an aftermarket exhaust system, which I showed you guys in the back. So let's go ahead and get a quick start. As you can hear, man, the exhaust is badass, man. I'll give you one more rev from the cockpit so that way you guys can hear it with me inside. It's still super loud, man. It's still super loud. It must be annoying to some, but you know, to some other people, man, we like the sound. We're car enthusiasts. We like to hear a little roar when we're driving, you know. It makes the feel of driving a whole lot different. It's almost like NASCAR, the way that they drive their cars. Their cars are so stupid loud because there's no exhaust on them, really, man. But you know, some people like it, some people don't, man. To each their own, you know what I mean? I'm leaving it up for you guys to decide, man. If you guys like the exhaust, go ahead and drop a comment, man. I want to see if you guys like this exhaust, man. And hopefully, if you guys like the Chevy Camaro overall for just the vehicle itself, go ahead and just leave me a thumbs up, man. Like this video and make sure you subscribe, man. I super appreciate you guys. Let's go ahead and get on with the review, man, and check out this cluster. All right, so the display is pretty easy. You can change your options by twisting this knob right here. You can change it to your trip 2, fuel range 174 miles, and I'm on a half a tank of gas, so that's not too bad. And then we got average fuel economy, which we're getting around 18.2, which I did read online. That it said that these are getting around 17. So with me, the way that I'm driving, getting 18 miles per gallon, that's not bad at all, man. So it does have a check engine light because it has an aftermarket intake, and it also has an aftermarket exhaust. Not to be worried, man. I've driven this car over 500 miles and never ran into any issue, man. Everything works perfect. No overheating, no other problems. I mean, the check engine light is on, man. I get it, but you know what I mean? That's what comes with getting one of these nice cars. That just comes with getting one of these nice cars, man. Let's just face it, man. If you do some kind of exhaust mod, you're gonna have a check engine light. We can take it down to anyone that you want to inspect it, man, because that's how trustworthy I am. No headaches over here. You guys know how I roll, man. With that being said, man, I appreciate you guys watching. You guys get to see the car. You guys saw the car inside, outside. You guys saw it all, man. I put the B-roll on. I put everything on for you guys to see, man. All right, so I appreciate you guys watching again, man. You guys take it easy. God bless. If you got potential, make sure you roll it, man. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. Yo, thanks again for watching, man. I appreciate you guys, man. You take